In this quick video, I want to show you how you can know the size of your dedicated graphics card. So when you come to your desktop like this, you right click on your desktop and you should be able to see the kind of dedicated graphics card you have on your system here. In my own case, I have an NVIDIA. So if I click on it now, it will take me to the NVIDIA control panel and wait for it to load. Still loading. Okay, so here it is. You are going to go down and you see system information. Click on it. You can see system information here. Click on it. Then this dialog box will pop up. This is where you are going to know the size of your dedicated graphics card. If you look at, you will see dedicated video memory here. That is my own dedicated video memory. You can see is 2048 megabytes and it's DDR3. So my own size now is 2 gig. Okay, so that is how you can know the size of your dedicated graphics card.